Let's move right on. But yes, keeping it with the banking space, as if the pain at the pump wasn't enough, now your EMIs will also go up as well. After SBI hikes MCLR rate by 10 basis points, most of the other top lenders like ICICI Bank, even PNB have moved to raise rates too. An increase in MCLR would normally translate into an increase in the interest payable by borrowers unless the bank reduces its margin on loans to absorb this increase. The hike has come just a couple of days before RBI's likely to announce its bi-monthly monetary policy on the 6th of June. So let's take it on board to Lalita Srivastav to get some more perspective, not just on the timing of this move, but also the impact at large. Lalita, hi, thanks so much for coming on board. Let's start with the timing of this MCLR rate hike that has happened in these three big banks just ahead of the RBI's meet. How are you reading into this?
Yeah, hi, good morning. So, very interesting thing that you have pointed out. The timing is just before the monetary policy is going to announce its results or their findings. This indicates that either there is a significant, systemic anomaly that is happening, because of which even though RBI has not acted, the banks are taking action, or in other cases, to my sense, there are other factors at play as well, which are asking or forcing the banks to raise their rate. Now, what has happened is that last quarter you have seen there has been a spate of losses and across the banking system. Banks are required to keep provisions for loans on their books to cover for existing losses, future losses. So this means that the likelihood of income or recovery from a loan decreases, and the provisions increase, and that trims the profits as well. So my sense is that you can because of the huge amount of losses that banking system has seen, banks are raising their interest rates so as to cover up for that. You can take a longer term route of increasing your credit monitoring resolution system, or the shorter and the easier way is that hike the increased interest rates and hope for the best. I think the banks are taking the latter route.
Lalita, this also comes at a time when the loan growth is is gaining healthy momentum and deposit growth is actually seeing a degrowth. Could that also have played out?
Yes. That would also be a factor in this overall thing, because banks would be more comfortable if the loan growth is slowly or steadily picking up. They will be more comfortable in doing a rate hike compared to vice versa.
Okay, Lalita, thanks much for taking time out and chatting with us about this recent development as far as banks are concerned. Let's move